So we at Livelong Wealth, we had the privilege to interact with a wide variety of traders from all over the world, including our own wealth management clients and trading clients. Now, something very interesting that we have actually observed amongst people who have actually done some great job as a trader, that means who are profitable traders, as compared to people who are losing traders, is the fact that the people who are profitable, they always had realistic expectations. Now just think about driving a car. So did you start driving the car on the road the first day you wanted to try it out? The answer is no. First you would have actually tried learning about starting the car, the brakes, steering control, etc. Then you probably must have got started by driving at a slower speed. Whereas when it kind of comes to the markets, people often have this assumption that they need to bring in a huge capital, plus they need to trade aggressively, looking out for very huge returns at the time of starting off itself. And this is actually a very wrong practice, we would say. Majority of the times what happens is that you get started with a system or with a strategy that you really have not observed in real time markets for at least a 1 to 2 months duration. You put in your hard earned money without understanding how the system works properly, and in turn lose your capital. So first of all, the first priority should be given on analyzing the markets with virtual money, or what we refer to as paper trading, before getting started with real time money. So this practice will actually help you understand how the system works, the possible drawdowns, or how you could manage the trades, along with setting a proper psychological mindset. Also, I wanted to convey to you, if you deploy your real money, only then your real emotions would come in. So once you get started with paper trading, get comfortable with that, then get started off with a very small capital before you scale your size.